Can someone send help, please?
That's a go for Captain Jack came up. What's your location, son?
Uranus. No, seriously, I think I'm in a box.
Of what?
I don't know. I think I'm in a box.
Well, how the fuck did you get in the box?
The internet. I think the internet put me in a box.
All right, what's the box's coordinates, son?
I don't know. I'm trying to see outside. I think I'm in
motherfucking Jacksonville!
Sounds like there are a lot of people outside here, too.
I'm getting word from base. We have traced your device. You sit tight, son. We're coming to get you. This is Captain Jack Imoff, and I'm coming inside. Over and out. Holy shit! What's going on, everybody? Looking for a missing, skinny, tall, pink-haired motherfucker, but you guys are way cooler than this. I'm gonna put a hold on that. I'm just gonna fly around and look at you all real quick. Oh yeah, what's going on this side? Always wanted to be a musician. Put your hands up. Wow. All right. I should just park this goddamn thing and come down there with the... Oh. Here, we're swinging the spotlight around. Hold on. I don't see him. Thank God I took all these years of flight lessons. Thank God I went to helicopter school right after I graduated. Thank God I watched Top Gun. Hey, everybody, look at me. No hands. Look at me. I'm flying this shit with my knees. Look. Any couples out there? Anybody's first date tonight? Coming here? Sometimes they say when I put my lower lip above my upper lip like this, helps me fly better. Oh, shit. Hey, man. Hey. It looks like you're on your 10th beer. You need to slow down. The show hasn't even started yet. Base, this is evac. I think we found our target. Coming in now, son.
fading. Can't decide what is fake. Mercury is retrograding. How much time can I waste? Constantly feeling the same thing. Jacksonville, you ready to lose your fucking mind? 1, 2, go, go. Alienated, I'm not the one you want. I feel so alienated, like I'm the devil's born. Avoid the Lord. Alienated, I'm not the one you want. I feel so alienated, like I'm the devil's born. Avoid the Lord. Bang, bang, bang. Can't save it, I'm fucked up, yeah. Ignoring my problems, yeah. You got your iconic, yeah. More plans for their office. Y'all ready to sing tonight? Hey, 16 years old, kid, down the hall. Drugs created. It's a good night, it's a good night to be high. Summer again, it's a lie. Therapy said that I might do it again, and die. I'm a lost boy, she's a kind of girl, she's a pop girl. I know I wanna play, to a lost world. Spaceships in the sky, we're not alone. Which way?
This was the first concert that was the fullest fucking sold out concert 2 years ago or 1 year ago after COVID here in Jacksonville. And I would like to welcome you all back to a sold out show here in your own fucking arena at the Main Street Sold Out Tour. I have many things I'd like to say, most of them really shitty jokes that probably won't make any of you laugh, but we'll get to that in a little bit. First, let's just appreciate this women's blouse that I cut up and turned into a shirt that I bought from your vintage store. Thank you. The word blouse is very funny to me. Thank you. And secondly, before we do start this shit for real, I would just like a moment of silence so that I could say, 2, 3, 4.
Something to say. Butterfly effect for the last 3 days. Now, baby, if I had something to say. I used to have a soul until I threw it away. And the shadows on the wall, wish I would have ran. Gotta be around, hope you understand. Try to have my face like a wanted man. Baby, only come up one, count to 10. Lay on my mind this evening. I'm taking the last, I'm taking the last. Straight from my conscience, each me. I'm taking the last, I'm taking the last. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. This time is the last, this time is the last. Maybe if we run another way, I wouldn't be regretting the decisions I made. I don't wanna spend another day on the road, looking for somebody that I know I can return. Don't miss me. I don't mind missing. It's history. Lay on my mind this evening. I'm taking the last, I'm taking the last. Straight from my conscience each day. I'm taking the last, I'm taking the last. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. This time is the last. This time is the last. So we'll go to fall. But I can't stand it. There's no point screaming. Don't go put yourself up just in.